Hey guys, so today I'm here with the Bestop No Drill Windshield channel fitting all 1997 to 2006 TJ Wranglers. So getting a mesh top, bikini top, or brief top is definitely beneficial for sun, wind, and overall weather protection. However, most of them require a windshield channel in order to install them. So just like your soft top header, this is going to do the same thing by sealing the top down to the windshield, but it's going to be specific to those tops that I just mentioned. So this is going to be for the TJ owner looking into one of those tops, but just needs the extra piece of the puzzle in order to get it on their Wrangler. And this is going to be one of the easiest and most affordable options to do that. So this is going to cost you roughly $40, and like I just said, it's going to be one of your most affordable options. So other more expensive choices on the page may only go up a couple of bucks, and that's just because they're made by different brands and they may have slightly different designs. Now, on the other hand of that, those budget-friendly options that you may be taking a look at will require drilling and modification to your Wrangler in order to get them installed. Now with this is going to be very easy to pop on and take off whenever you like. There's no modification required, and it's going to be one of your most budget-friendly options for a no-drill windshield header, making it definitely worth the price in my opinion. So what I always usually recommend when you're looking to get a part that requires another part to install, I always recommend to stay with the same manufacturer just because it's been tested and proven and they always usually provide the best fitment. So I would recommend this to somebody who is looking for a Bestop mesh top, bikini top, or brief top. So install is going to be a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. We're going to need some basic hand tools, really only one tool to install this on our Wrangler. So speaking of the install, let's jump into that now. The tools that I used for my install were a 3/8 inch drive ratchet and a 13mm socket. So the first step to our install is just to position the windshield channel over our windshield, making sure that our brackets are facing the inside or the back of the Wrangler. Now I did want to point out real quick the fact that the ends are plastic and there is some foam pieces around here, and that's just going to ensure a really tight and a nice fit overall, making sure that your top is sealed down to your Wrangler. So this will be made out of a solid steel construction. It's going to have a gloss black powder coat finish on there. So once that's in place, we can grab our J-hooks as well as our hardware. Then you can insert your J-hook in your slot here and insert the provided bolt. This is going to have a washer as well. Make sure you have that there, and we can tighten that down. Now you can take a 13mm socket and a ratchet and tighten that down. Make sure it is snug. So at first it may not look like it's seated correctly, but as soon as you tighten these down, you will notice that it's going to seal to this top factory seal that's already there. So now we can move over and do the other side. So after those 2 bolts on the J-hooks are tightened down, you're all set to go. Your windshield channel is installed. So all you have yet to do is attach your top by tucking the front tab into this retainer at the front here. So that's going to wrap it up for my quick review and install on the Bestop No Drill Windshield channel fitting all 1997 to 2006 TJ Wranglers. Make sure you like and subscribe, and for more videos like this, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.